wanna come home to roses and dirty little notes on post-its. And when my hair starts turning grey, say I'm fine, wine better with age. I guess I learned it from my parents. The true love starts with friendship. A kiss on the forehead, a date night, fake an apology after a fight. I need a man who's patient and kind, gets out of the car and holds the door. I wanna slow dance in the living room light. We're 18, 19, yeah, prom and grow old with someone who makes me feel young. I need a man who loves me like my father loves my mom. And if it lives up to my father, maybe he could teach our daughter what it takes to love.